Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Warpath Ace Shooter using your email. To log into Warpath with email, first of all open up the Warpath Ace Shooter application on your device, and from the home page, tap on your profile avatar at the top left and click on the Options button at the bottom right. Now from the menu, click on Accounts. Inside Account, look for the email address option and tap on the link button right next to it. Now enter a valid email address in the first field. After typing down an email, you'll need to verify your email. Tap on Get Verification Code and you will receive a verification code sent to you via your email inbox that you just entered. Go ahead and open up your inbox, and once you receive the code, type it down in the verification code text box. Once you are done, click on Confirm at the bottom. Now, right after you do that, you will be able to link your email with Warpath Ace Shooter. So that's it for today's video. If you found it to be helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials from Warpath Ace Shooter. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.